In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate and customize Asana projects. Let's get started right inside Asana. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at your main workspace or home screen. From here, you'll want to open the specific project you want to work on. This might be a marketing campaign, a product launch, or any ongoing team initiative. Simply click on the project name in your sidebar or from your project list. Once the project opens, you'll see all of its tasks, sections, and details laid out in front of you. Now that your project is open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Share. This is where you control who has access to the project and how you collaborate with others. Go ahead and click on the Share button. A small sharing window or panel will appear, giving you options to invite teammates. In the sharing window, you'll find a field where you can type an email address. Start entering the email of the person you want to invite to this project. As you type, Asana may suggest people who are already part of your organization. Choose the correct contact, or finish typing the full email if it's someone new. This step is crucial because it ensures the right people can see, edit, and contribute to the project. Once you've typed in the email, look for the invite button in that same window. Click on Invite to send the project invitation. The person you invited will receive an email notification from Asana, and the project will appear in their workspace once they accept. This is how you bring collaborators into your project quickly and securely. After sending the invite, you can close the sharing window. To do that, simply click the small X in the corner of the panel. This will return you to the main project view so you can focus on organizing and customizing your work. Next, still in the top right area of the project, find the button labeled Customize. Click on Customize to open the customization panel. This is where you can really tailor the project to your team's workflow. Inside the customization panel, you'll see several options to modify how your project behaves and what information it tracks. Here, you can add custom fields to capture details like priority, status, or budget, adjust how tasks are grouped and sorted, enable or disable features such as rules or forms, and refine the layout so it matches how your team thinks and works.